Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two camping chairs, foldable camping chairs that comes right here in this bag, so you can take it with you on the go to camping, hiking, fishing, going to the beach. Going to the beach, I think these are gonna be a blast. Not only because it comes right here, as you can see in this bag, so you can take it anywhere, but also because each one of these ones supports 450 pounds. So that is actually a really good amount of weight. These are super comfortable. They're really wide. They have a nice metal strong frame. So these are not going to be flimsy at all. And once you take it out of the bag, it's just like unfolding it in probably like 3 seconds, no more than that. And the same thing when folding them back and putting them inside the bag. Well, at least putting them inside the bag, it may take you 10 seconds instead of 3, no more than that. But I have to say that these two are really awesome. Let's take a closer look. So there are a couple things that make this one to be really good. Number one, cup holder right here. It's not just like a bottle, like a water bottle holder. It's also like a cup holder because it's really big and deep. It drips inside with a mesh, so you're not gonna have any issues. It's gonna be dripping on the floor. Here you're gonna find a pocket. With this pocket you can put in your tablet, phone, your book, whatever you want. These are really well padded, I have to say, especially right here and right here. Perfect pad for really nice comfort. And then right here, this is fantastic. You have a cooler. This insulated cooler, you can see that it's totally insulated. You can put a can, for example, or 2 cans or a bottle and just close it and keep it right there on the cooling section. So I'm gonna say strong frame, 450 pounds, wide, big, foldable, portable, and then for sure really nice for the beach or outdoors or camping, hiking, fishing, whatever you want to do, camping again. These ones are fantastic. I love them. I have to say that these are going to be my new beach chairs for sure.